Hello students, I hope you're doing well. Well, here there is a problem that deals with algebraic identity first and second. We have to find out the value of x plus 1 upon x and x minus 1 upon x, given that the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 27. We know that x plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2x dot 1 upon x. Having put the value of x square plus 1 upon x square, we'll end up getting x plus 1 upon x whole square equals to 27 plus 2. Hence, x plus 1 upon x is equal to plus root 29 and minus root 29. This happens because when we transpose square to the right hand side, it goes to square root the addition of 27 plus 2, which is 29. We write in positive and negative both, because if you multiply plus root 29 with plus root 29, you get the answer 29, and the same thing happens for minus root 29 multiplied by minus root 29. We still get an answer 29. So let's move ahead with part 2 of the sum. Once again, we try to elaborate the formula x minus 1 upon x whole square, which is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2x dot 1 by x. Putting the value of x square plus 1 upon x square once again into RHS, we get x minus 1 upon x square equals to 27 minus 2. Remember, minus 2, because here the formula for algebraic identity is minus 2ab. So here x and x gets cancelled and we are left with only 2. When we transpose the square from LHS to RHS, we get root 25, and once again I must tell you that x minus 1 upon x will give plus 5 and minus 5 for the same reasons I explained above. I hope it is clear. In case you do not understand, you can write in the comment section. Thank you so much.